Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is day 11 of our 100 Tips for Editors series, and today we're diving into a technique that will instantly make your edits feel more professional and seamless, the L-cut. So, what exactly is an L-cut? Put simply, it is an editing transition where the audio from one clip continues to play under the video of the next clip. Imagine you have two shots. Shot A is a person talking and shot B is what they're talking about. With an L-cut, we hear the person start their sentence in shot A, but before they finish, we cut to shot B. Their voice continues over this new visual, creating a smooth, connected experience for the viewer. Why is this so powerful? Well, in the real world, our senses of sight and sound don't switch off and on at the exact same moment. We often hear something just before we see it, or continue hearing something after our eyes have moved on. L-cuts mimic this natural experience, making your edits feel less jarring and more immersive. It guides the viewer's attention and helps them anticipate what's coming next, creating a much more engaging flow. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you're editing a travel vlog. You have a clip of yourself saying, "And the view from the top was absolutely breathtaking." Then you have a gorgeous drone shot of the landscape. A hard cut would feel abrupt. You finish your sentence, then bam, new shot. It works, but it's not very elegant. Now let's try it with an L-cut. You start the sentence, and the view from the top was, and right on the word was, you cut to the drone shot. The rest of your sentence, absolutely breathtaking, plays over that stunning visual. See the difference? It connects the action and the reaction, the cause and the effect, in a much more fluid and cinematic way. It pulls the audience into the moment with you. So how do you actually do this in your editing software? It's pretty simple. On your timeline, you'll have your video and audio tracks. Let's say you have clip A, followed by clip B. First, you'll need to unlink the audio and video for both clips. Most software lets you do this with a right-click. Once they're unlinked, you can trim the video and audio tracks independently. For an L-cut, you'll drag the end of clip A's video to the left, making it shorter. But you'll leave its audio track at the original length. Then you'll slide clip B's video and audio over to fill the gap. Now you just drag the beginning of clip B's video to the left, covering the end of clip A's audio. When you look at your timeline, the shape of the audio from clip A extending under the video of clip B looks like the letter L, hence the L-cut. The counterpart to this, by the way, is the J-cut, where the audio from the incoming clip starts before the video does. We covered that in episode 10 of the series. L-cuts are incredibly versatile. You can use them in interviews to cut from the speaker to B-roll of what they re-describing. You can use them in narrative films to bridge scenes or reveal information. You can even use them in simple vlogs to make your storytelling feel more dynamic and professional. It's a fundamental technique that separates amateur edits from polished professional work. So the next time you're in your editor, I challenge you to find a place to use an L-cut. Experiment with it. See how it changes the pace and feel of your sequence. It might take a little practice to get the timing just right, but once you master it, it will become an indispensable tool in your editing arsenal. That's it for tip number 11. I hope this helps you level up your editing game. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss the other 89 tips we have coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know how you use L-cuts in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.